Hey everybody, we're here at Manufacturing Solutions located right here in Beaumont, Texas. We build the finest pipe beveling and chamfering machines here in the country. We're going to take you guys inside and show you how our machines come together.
Okay, this area here, this is our main fabrication facility. This is where all the raw material arrives. Square tube, channeled, plate, angle, all the material comes in, rust coated, mill scale, completely raw. So these guys take it and, per the print, do their own cutting, fitting, welding, everything from the ground up. These guys are specialists in all three. They do it all. So they're responsible for reading the prints, tacking the machines up, doing the final welding, finish welding, everything else. But it all takes place back here. So the next step of the process, after the machines have been fabricated and welded, is they move up to the paint booth area of our facility. So this is where the machines come and they either get sandblasted and or just regular handed with like a hand sander or a DA sander. But they get prepared here, surface prep, cleaned, primed, and then painted. So of course we do the main frame here, but we also paint all the different guarding and blackening of the tool holders. Pretty much all the extra components that go on the machines will get painted here in-house. A couple of things actually will get powder coated every once in a while, but for the most part, everything gets painted here. Coming into our main assembly shop / machine shop area of our facility, this is where all of the major components are made, whether it is the spindles, the heads, the tooling, all the way down to different spacers, guides, bushings that we make for these machines. So we have here, of course, we have all our manual mills and our manual lathes, but then we have our automatic machines. We have our Haas lathe over here, then we've got our different Sharp and Haas CNCs in the back that we do a lot of the precision work on. So like I said, it's everything from the tool holders, heads, wedges, some of the screws, all the fine little finesse parts of the machine, as well as things like the collets, the vise. It's a pretty rigorous process, but majority of everything, a couple of things that we have, castings or forgings are done outside, but the vast majority of everything that actually goes on the machines is made right here with our own in-house machine shop. And the final step of the journey of the machines is when they come up here to the final assembly area. So we'll start with just the base frame, and everything gets put on here. We, by hand with one of our technicians in the back, and they literally start from the ground up. All the electrical, the wiring, the plumbing of the different hydraulics, the installing of the spindles, the heads, everything, literally from the ground up. So these machines will get put together over the course of a few days. And then once they get put together, we'll come back and we will fine-tune, fit the guarding and everything to make sure it's all fit snug and proper per each machine individually. And then once the machines are fully assembled, then that is when we go through a rigorous process of running different sample parts on each machine. We'll make sure the machines are operating to their full capacity. They want to operate to our standards. Last thing we want to do is send the machine out of here to its final destination if it's not operating up to par. So we test these machines. If there's an issue that we find, then we fine tune it. We work out the kinks. If something breaks or there's a part that's not right, we fix it, we repair it, we replace it, whichever it need be. After the machines have gone through all their different cycles and testing and all the kinks have been worked out, if any, then we come back one last time and do some of the, kind of give it a little facelift, do some of the touch-up painting for some of the little nicks and bruises maybe the machine received during the process of working out the sample parts. Then after they are completely certified, touched up, painted, dried, then that's when the final shop inspection report gets filed. And then from there, it is safe to move the machines onto the very last step of the actual wrapping, crating, and then tagging it for pickup to go on to its final destination.
All right, everybody. Thank y'all for watching. Hopefully you answered some questions and got to see a little bit more insight on how these machines sit together. If you guys want any more information, you can find us on our website. The link will be listed down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram.